everyone. Now today we look into the last concept of this model, that is Simpson's 1/3 rule and the Weddle's rule. The derivation is not there for your syllabus, only you need to remember the formula. Now what is Simpson's 1/3 rule? That is I is equal to h by 3 of, again bracket, y0 plus yn, the first term and the last term, plus 4 into all the odd series, that is y1 plus y3 plus so on up to plus yn minus 1 bracket close, plus 2 into all the even terms, that is y2 plus y4 plus so on up to plus yn minus 2, then close the bracket. This is Simpson's 1/3 rule, and the Weddle rule is given by I is equal to x0, integration of x0 to x0 plus 6h y dx, which is equal to 3h by 10 of y0 plus 5y1 plus y2 plus 6y3 plus y4 plus 5y5 plus y6, then the close the bracket. Here h is the common difference as we have solved in the previous examples. Please note here, to apply Simpson's 1/3 rule, n must be a multiple of 2, and for Weddle's rule it must be multiple of 3. Now we look into the example, that is first example. Evaluate 0 to 6 3x square dx, dividing the interval, that is 0 to 6, into 6 equal parts by 1/3 and Weddle's rule. For this example, I have to apply Simpson's 1/3 and the Weddle's rule. Please take here, the n is 6 interval they have said, and the length of the each interval is given by b minus a divided by n. Length of each interval is given by, that h will be given by the formula b minus a divided by n. This is your a and this is your b. Therefore 6 minus 0 divided by n, how many n? That is 6. 6 minus 0 divided by 6, which is equal to 1. Therefore h is equal to 1. Now write the set of points, that is the points x is equal to, when h is equal to 1, therefore 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. The common difference between these set of points is 1. Now you can find y by substituting the x value in the given equation, that is y is equal to 3x square. Replace x as 0 first, then you will get 0. Next, x as 1. 3 into 1 square is 1, therefore 3 is the answer. Next, x as 2, that is 2 square. 4 into 3 is 12. Similarly, you have to substitute the value of 3, 4, 5 and 6, and write the corresponding values of 5. Then this is your x0, this is y0. x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4, x5 y5, x6 y6. X values are not needed because in the formulas we need the y0 to y6 values. Please write the formula of that Simpson's 1/3 rule, that is it is given by integration from a to b y dx, which is equal to h by 3 of y0 plus yn plus 4 into all the odd series plus 2 into even series. Now n is equal to 6 they have given, h is equal to common length, that is 1, and a is equal to, here a is equal to 0, here b minus a is what? 0. Then b is equal to 6, equation y is equal to 3x square. Now substitute above equation, in the above equation all the values from the given table. Here h is equal to 1 by 3, y0 is 0, then yn is 108, I mean the last term, plus 4 into all the odd terms, that is 3 plus 27 plus 75. Next, plus 2 into all even terms, 12 plus 48. Simplify it, you are going to get the answer as 216. Now for the same example, I will apply the Weddle's rule. Write the formula, and then here also from that table please substitute the values. You are going to get 216 as the answer. Now we'll look into the next example. Evaluate integration from 0 to 1 dx divided by 1 plus x square using Simpson's 1/3 rule, taking 4 equal strips. Here n is equal to 4, please remember, and a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, and this is your y. And they told you to deduce an appropriate value of pi. In general, the value of pi is 3.2. We have to deduce that value, that is the value of pi. Please look here. Let us divide the interval, that is 0, 1 into 4 equal parts. Then n is equal to 4 as I told earlier. Then b minus a divided by n, that is 1 minus, this is your b and this is your a. 1 minus 0 divided by n is equal to 4. Then 1 by 4. When x is equal to 1 by 4, the interval is lying from 0 to 1. Then 4 equal strips means 0, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. This series indicating from 0 to 1. Now when I know x, I can easily find the value of y. At x is equal to 0, in this equation replace x as 0. Then simplify it. At x is equal to 0, you will get y is equal to 1. Next, at x is equal to 1 by 4 is there. At x is equal to 1 by 4, here replace 1 by 4. Simplify it, you are going to get the answer as 16 by 17. Next is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. When I substitute x as 1 by 2 in the equation, I'll get y is equal to 4 by 5. Next, x is equal to 3 by 4, I'll get y is equal to 16 by 25. When x is equal to 1, that is 4 by 4 is nothing but 1. Therefore, when x is equal to 1, then y is also equal to 1. Then form the table, and these are your y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4 values. Write the Simpsons 1/3 formula. Then according to that formula, please substitute all the values. Here first and the last term, then 4 into all the odd terms, then 2 into all the even terms. H is here. H is, we have calculated 1 by 4. H is 1 by 4. Simplified, you are going to get the answer as 0.7854. In the question, they told you to find the value of pi. Therefore, to deduce the value of pi, we perform theoretical integration. We have to perform theoretical integration. That is, given equation, given integral is integration from 0 to 1 dx divided by 1 plus x square. The integration of this is tan inverse x. And this is lying from 1 to 0. Therefore, upper limit is 1 and the lower limit is 0. Therefore, upper limit minus lower limit, that is tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0. Tan inverse 1 is nothing but pi by 4, and tan inverse of 0 is 0. Pi by 4 minus 0, which is nothing but pi by 4. Therefore, pi by 4, which is equal to the Simpsons 1/3 rule, whatever we have calculated, that value. Therefore, pi by 4, which is equal to 0.7854. There, I need to find the value of pi. Therefore, pi is equal to 4 into 0.7854. When I multiply 4 to this value, I'll get 3.1416, which is nothing but 3.142. That is your exact pi value. Please remember the formula. Both the formulas, only formulas are there, no derivations. And they will ask one example on each. Thank you.